We got called about this Honda Prelude that's been sitting in this barn for years, covered in dust, and as soon as we saw pictures of it, we knew we had to do whatever we could to save it. Now I want to test you guys, the Honda Prelude was made from 1978 to 2001, but for you Honda fans, if you know what this car was made to compete against, leave it in the comments below. Now with the car actually back at our shop, we could get a good look at it and see that it was not in too bad a condition underneath all of that dust. There was some minor rust on the body, but it looked very straight, and I think with a deep cleaning, this thing's gonna turn out very nice. So after checking out the exterior a little bit, we opened the doors and started pulling out the seats so we could see what we were working with, and we found something we've never seen in a car before and have no idea how it got there.
So I just got the passenger seat out, and what I really like about working on cars that aren't super old is everything comes out nice and easy. I'll show you how easy it is for me to just pull the driver's seat out of this Honda. Just got 4 bolts, and we could just zip right out. Remove this guy. And then there's 2. Oh my God. I think it's a bird.
Ew. How does a bird even get in a car?
I have no idea, dude.
Oh my God, that's the head right there.
Well, get the garbage can. Well, I'll show you the rest of the seat after I get rid of that. Oh God.
Oh.
Very stiff. Ugh. I'll show you the rear bolts now. But we'll pop this guy out of here. These usually come up pretty easy.
That was easy.
Just 2 screws. Got 1 plug that we gotta undo. There we go. And just like that, it's up.
Any other birds?
Hopefully not.
Nope, looks like that's the only animal. So if you guys have any idea how a dead bird could get inside of a car, leave it in the comments below. But also make sure you're subscribed to the channel because we have some insane videos we already filmed that are coming up for you guys with some pretty rare cars that you do not want to miss. But moving on to the detailing, we started with the exterior on the wheels, and it's always satisfying to see the wheels get cleaned first. But the reason why we do that is because if you do the wheels last, then you're just going to be spraying all the stuff you're cleaning off them onto the freshly cleaned paint. Now we're going to move into the engine bay, and we're going to start with the underside of the hood. And for all the detailers out there or the people who are going to clean their cars at home, I want you to pay close attention here because this is an easily missed spot. But watch how big of a difference you can make by cleaning this underside here with some degreaser and a brush. Once you spray it all away, it's a night and day difference. And now cleaning the actual engine, we'll do pretty much the same thing after undoing the battery. And when we got this car, we were under the assumption that this engine was blown. And then when we returned it to the owner, he told us it actually wasn't and that it could start. But I want to ask you guys, would you keep this engine that's in the car now, or would you replace it with something different? And if you did, what would it be? We want to give a big thank you to ShipStation for sponsoring this video. Without them, we would not have been able to do this Prelude for free. So ShipStation, we appreciate you guys for sponsoring the channel. Now between us, let's be honest, we live in an increasingly automated world, but some things still require tedious manual labor. And there's a lot of things that personally I wish I could automate. Like how often do you guys leave your laundry in the washer or dryer and wish that you could just have it done automatically and not have to worry about it? Well, not everything can be automated, but luckily for e-commerce business owners, shipping is is no longer a manual task thanks to ShipStation. ShipStation makes it easy to automate shipping tasks from every marketplace in one simple dashboard. As an e-commerce business owner, you should be selling everywhere, and ShipStation helps you effortlessly integrate on every platform, including Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Shopify, and more. You can take all of your orders from all of those platforms, print shipping labels, easily compare your rates and shipping times, and automate your delivery notifications. Get up to 84% off of USPS and UPS shipping rates, and if that's not enough, use our promo code to try ShipStation free for 2 months. Spend more time growing your business when you automate shipping tasks with ShipStation. Go to shipstation.com/WD detailing today and sign up for your free 60-day trial. That's shipstation.com/WD detailing. Thank you again to ShipStation for sponsoring the video, and let's get back to the detail. Now, as we're washing, you'll notice there's a lot of grime that's not coming off in the pre-wash. We started implementing some degreaser into the routine, and even then that didn't work. But as you'll see, we'll take care of that a little bit later. We also like to take the spoiler off when possible too, so we can get all the dirt from underneath there. And just like the underside of the hood, the gas cap area is also a highly missed area when you're cleaning a car. So it's always good to use some degreaser and a brush and really get in there and try to clean it as best as you can. That way when you're filling your gas, it's not gross on your hands. Now we're going to spray iron remover to try to get any iron out of the clear coat that's rusted in there, so later on when we go to polish the car, it's not clogging up our pads. And you can see what's being removed when it turns purple, and it makes the polishing process easier, and this car turns out absolutely perfect. Now we'll move back into the interior where the front seats were already taken out, but we'll remove everything else and the rear seats, and then we'll start vacuuming. And the doors and dashboard and all that stuff had some mold growing on it, so we deep cleaned all of that with some APC and a very soft brush along with our steamer, and it turned out really good. Now when it comes to floor mats, I don't even find the point in vacuuming them anymore. So if you use a Tornador first instead of a vacuum, you can actually get a lot more of the initial dirt off, and then your final result will be way better. Now with the interior done, we're gonna go ahead and do the spoiler. So we're gonna clean it and then we're gonna polish it, then put it back on the car and polish the rest of the car before sealing it with the ceramic sealant.